Hi, Greg Buckley here from Buckley's Auto Care, and today let's talk about third-party service contracts and warranties. Now, some of you may have a third-party warranty that you purchased with your used vehicle, or you have an extended situation with the new vehicle that you bought. Buckley's Auto Care does work with these third parties. However, there are a few exceptions. One, we will not work with CarShield because of the negative experience to you, the contract holder, and to us as a service provider. There are a few others, but that one is primarily the one that we will not work with under any circumstances. For the rest, there are some differences that you must be made aware of. You should not expect that any contract will pay 100% free and clear the amount that it takes to make the repair. You have your deductibles, and you should be aware of what your deductibles are. It could be from zero deductible to 1,000, or maybe even more. But you need to be made aware of those. That's in the fine print. When you bring your vehicle in and the contract and the paperwork, your service advising team will advise you on the benefits of the contract and the caveats. The caveats are something that is in the fine print, and you do need to be aware of the pitfalls. That being the fact that there may be a warranty time, meaning labor time that it takes to fix the vehicle, that is short on their end. There may be a dollar difference between what the warranty contract is willing to pay versus what we require to be paid on. The difference is the responsibility of the service contract holder, which is you. Due diligence. They may require us to go further and deeper into finding out what caused the failure, and that due diligence is the responsibility of you, the contract holder, until they authorize the claim for that repair. If they do not authorize the repair and decline the repair due to negligence or anything else that they deem, or they have the language in that contract, you, the contract holder, will be responsible for payment. A case is very simple. If there is an internal engine situation, they will have us tear that engine down in order to expose the actual root cause of the failure. If they determine that that root cause of the engine failure was due to poor maintenance, as in lack of oil changing, they will decline to make that repair for you. Therefore, all of the time it has taken to expose that failure is on you, the contract holder. Administration fees. It can take upwards of 2 hours or more in order to negotiate the repair with the service provider. This time is uncompensated, and therefore an administration fee has to be included in the workup of the repair order. Now, that repair administration fee may be eliminated if the process of getting to your repair and having it authorized in a comfortable amount of time is removed. So, we need you to understand all of these little intricacies that your contract does not tell you, that the commercials do not tell you. We want to be fair, we want to be reasonable, and we have to be professional. Therefore, your service advising team will absolutely discuss with you all of the merits of your contract and, of course, all of the pitfalls. It's important that you understand. We do not want to get into an area where you have a poor experience, as do we. So, third-party warranties and service contract providers can be a plus to you. However, we need to know where their limitations are and what your expectations are going to be. Questions or concerns, you're welcome to give us a call at 302-999-8285. You can talk to our service team either here in Wilmington or at our location in Millsboro. Be happy to work with you, happy to work with them. However, there has to be an understanding on what we are to expect for the final delivery of a repaired vehicle. Greg Buckley, Buckley's Auto Care, as always. Thank you very much. And as always say, drive safe, drive smart. We'll see you soon. Thank you.